Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change 100 mode accessibility option from the side button to a on-screen button in Motorola Edge 50 phone. So right now, when we tap and hold both volume keys up and down, our 100 mode will turn on. But how to change it so we can have our on-screen button in the accessibility button function. So we need to go to settings first, then gestures, and here we have our 100 mode. Next, we have this option right here. So first of all, shortcut is enabled, but the option is to press and hold both volume keys simultaneously. We can change it to so first of all, we can uncheck this box and check this first box, so we can have our accessibility key on the screen. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.